Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and check out your balance on PayPal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that, simply go ahead, access your browser and simply type paypal.com on top and get it to the official website. Afterwards, simply sign in. Once you have done so, if you have verified yourself and connected your card with your wallet and have added money, you will be able to check out balance just right over here listed info and your activity on the right section. Right, you can simply go ahead choose to check it out. Other than that, you can also choose to tap on this option of a wallet on top, and here in the section you can simply go ahead check out your balance that will be given on the right section listed. You can go ahead check it out, and that is basically it. Hope this video was helpful for you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.